When the Nigerian is good and ready, first thing they will need to do is they will stop the petty bickering. Is Yoruba, is Igbo, is Fulani, is that. They don't care what you are if you are a member of the reigning class. Akpabio is not neither Yoruba nor Igbo nor Fulani, and yet it hasn't stopped him from leading the pack of thieves who call themselves the Senate. We're talking about a Senate that is they are the ones saying it. I'm not a member of the Senate, but members of the Senate have come out and they are alleging that, various figures are being bandied around, and they are not talking millions, they are not talking billions, they are talking trillions. They are talking more money than was voted for both health and education as having been used to pad the budget. Well, how do you pad budgets? And then you can't even get clarity. That's how opaque the finances of the Nigerian state have become. We can't even get clarity as to exactly what the figures are. Figures are being bandied around. That gives you an idea of how united they are where they are doing the stealing and sharing. But the victims are the ones who are busy bickering, abusing themselves, attacking each other. So how do you then give such people any common cause to pursue? The first thing the people, until such a time as when the people are done dealing with their differences and uniting, anything I'm saying or suggesting will be me whistling in the wind.